So you're navigating the maze that is credit building, and you've stumbled across Kickoff and Ava's credit builder, and you're wondering which of these is going to be best for you. Well, in this video, we're going to dive into how Ava and Kickoff stack up against each other for building your credit, which service offers the most bang for your buck when it comes to improving your credit score, and what critical information you must know before deciding which one to use, so make sure to stick around. And before we dive in, I do want to mention that Ava has sponsored this video and are friends of the channel, but it is very important to me that I'm able to provide an unbiased review, and so that is what they are allowing me to do here. And the upside of this is that if you check the links in the description below, you'll see that you can actually get started with Ava for as little as $1, but more on that in a little bit. So let's start off with Kickoff. Now, Kickoff is designed to help individuals improve and rebuild their credit using a unique credit account. This credit account offers a small $750 credit line that can be used exclusively to purchase financial literacy content offered by Kickoff. So it's like you have a credit card, but it can only be spent on their website. Now, this comes at a $5 per month subscription, but there are no hidden fees or interest that you have to worry about. On a monthly basis, Kickoff is going to report to both Experian and Equifax, but those are the only credit bureaus that they will report to. There's also going to be no credit check, and you're going to have access to some high quality financial literacy content through that Kickoff store that we mentioned earlier. Now, within that $5 per month plan, there are also a couple of other add-ons that you can choose to take advantage of for no additional cost. These are going to be rent reporting and a secured credit card. With the rent reporting, you're going to be able to report all of your on-time rent payments to Equifax for no additional charge. This is only going to report your positive and on-time payments. Additionally, if you choose to, you can pay a one-time fee of $50 to retroactively report the last 2 years of on-time rent payments as well. With the secured credit card, this is going to be a pretty standard offering where you will put a deposit down, and then Kickoff will provide you with a credit card that you can use anywhere you would like to shop, with that credit limit set based on the deposit you have given them. So if you put down a $500 deposit, for example, they will give you a $500 credit limit card. So now that you've got an understanding of Kickoff, let's talk a bit about Ava and then put them side by side. Ava's mission is going to be a little bit different. Their core focus is on creating a straightforward and effective way for folks to build their credit. In order to do that, they offer two different products. These are going to be their Credit Builder Loan and the Ava Card. With the Credit Builder Loan, there is a simple 5-step process that you'll follow that will allow you to build your credit quickly and effectively over time. First, you're going to apply for a Credit Builder account. Next, you're going to choose how much you want to contribute per month. This can be either $25, $50, or $100. And if you're not familiar with Credit Builder loans and how they work, the premise is that you contribute a fixed amount to a essentially savings account for a duration of time, at the end of which you will have access to all of that money, and all of those monthly contributions that you made will be reported to the credit bureaus as on-time payments. So you're building up this nest egg while building your credit at the same time, which leads us into step 3, which is you have to actually choose the duration of your credit builder loan. The two options currently are 12 months or 24 months. So for example, you could choose a $25 per month credit builder for 12 months. You would make that $25 a month payment 12 times. At the end, you'll have access to all of the savings that you have built up, and you'll have a full year of on-time payments reported on your credit report. Now, this can be really impactful because these payments are being reported to all of the major credit bureaus, and your payment history is the largest contributing factor to your credit score, making up 30% of that number. Then again, once all those payments have been made, you've got access to those savings that you have built up. Now, what's really cool about Ava is that 74% of their members see a score increase in 7 days or less, showing that there is a very significant impact to your score through using a product like this credit builder. This is one of the reasons why your score can go up by 45 points on average in no time. There's also going to be no hidden fees or interest, which in my opinion is one of the things that makes Ava the best credit builder on the market. How this Ava card works is by providing you with a virtual card that you can use to report your bill payments to the credit bureaus. So think things like Netflix, iCloud, Prime, Spotify, etc. With this card, there's no interest, there's no deposits, and there's no credit check. You can also get instantly approved if you connect a valid bank account. And with this card, you can get approved for a high credit limit of up to $2,500. However, there's also going to be a spend limit applied to your card, which is going to be the maximum amount you can spend per month. Now, Ava essentially bakes this into the card so that you are forced to have a low utilization, which is going to improve your credit score. So let's say, for example, you got approved for a $2,500 credit limit and a $250 spend limit. That means that you'll only be able to spend up to $250 per month on the card, and your credit utilization then can never go over 10%, which is going to be to the benefit of your credit score. Now, that limit is going to be based on the quality of bank account that you link. So Ava wants to see a consistent monthly paycheck. They want to see low expenses and just kind of consistent inflows and outflows to that bank account. Then if you've got responsible behavior after you start using the Ava card, your credit and spend limits can go up over time. Ava is going to report all of your payments to all of the major credit bureaus within 7 days of signing up and within 24 hours of every on-time payment. This means that your score can be improved very quickly compared to a ton of the other options on the market. They've also got a really effective app that you can use to stay on top of your credit and just easily manage everything in one place. Next, we've got rent reporting. This feature allows you to build your credit history by reporting the rent, which you're already paying, to all 3 major credit bureaus. Connect the bank account that you use to pay rent via Plaid, and from there, Ava will automatically detect those rent payments. Now, in terms of cost, Ava is not a free product. There is a $9 per month charge to use their credit builder, and then the Ava card is free to use. The cost goes down to $72 per year if you want to pay annually, and if you are a subscriber of the channel and watching this video right now, Ava has decided to hook up my audience with a $1 trial. So if you want to start and see if you can have that rapid impact on your score, as most of their users do see, you can use the link in the description below and the promo code Apple in order to take advantage of that exclusive discount. Now, let's put these 2 credit builders side by side and show off where each of them really shines. In terms of Kickoff, this could be ideal for someone who prefers a non-credit card approach to building their credit, because you're getting that $750 credit line, which can't really be used anywhere and is mostly just for reporting purposes. Kickoff's also good if you're looking to invest in education when it comes to financial literacy and building your credit, as they offer a lot of different resources for purchase. They're also a simple, low-cost solution which can be easy to integrate into your existing finances. Now, with Ava, on the other hand, you're looking at the most affordable credit builder on the market, coming in with that $1 per month trial, like we mentioned. And when you take advantage of both the credit builder and the Ava card, you're going to be able to build your credit extremely quickly. These are both going to be extremely passive ways to build your credit as well, so you're not going to have to be thinking about this. It's just going to be working in the background to benefit you. So all that being said, which one is best? Well, both are really unique and creative solutions that folks can take advantage of who don't want to go through the traditional doors of building credit with a credit card, or maybe you're just not eligible for different credit cards due to a variety of different factors. Well, in general, Ava is going to be more impactful and easier to integrate into your existing routines, making it the better choice for folks that want faster results. Kickoff, on the other hand, can be good for someone who's, specifically looking for something like a secured credit card, which isn't a product that Ava offers. Additionally, don't forget to check out that exclusive $1 offer from Ava, which you can find in the description below, and also use the promo code Apple at checkout. I'd love to hear about your personal experiences with building credit or any questions you have about these 2 products, so feel free to drop those in the description below. Thanks so much to Ava for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one.